Hi all of you. Once again welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the maximum height and range in topics here. Fourth topics, motion in a plane. Very important question. This is the third option. First option parallelogram law. Second option here parabolic path. Third option here maximum height and range. ఈ మూడు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈ టాపిక్స్లో చదవండి. కంపల్సరీ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది మనకి యాన్యువల్లో. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ యాన్యువల్లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ అకాడమిక్ రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఈ మూడు క్వశ్చన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చదవండి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 8, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 8. ఆల్రెడీ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6 అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన. దిస్ వన్ ఇయర్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద ఓన్లీ ఫర్ maximum height range. What is the maximum height? What is the range? Now the body projected into air. The body projected into air. Certain angle here other than 90 degrees. So range statement here, the maximum displacement of the projectile along the x-axis is called as here range. Okay, and maximum height, the maximum displacement of the projectile along the vertical direction or along the y-axis is called as here maximum height. At the maximum height of position, the velocity will be 0. అంటే గరిష్ట ఉన్నతి వద్ద దాని యొక్క వేగం అనేది 0 అవుతుంది. నౌ దీస్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ హియర్ షో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ స్టేట్మెంట్ వెరీ సింపుల్, చాలా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్. షో దట్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ అండ్ రేంజ్, మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ హియర్ h and range here r. H means here maximum height, range of a projectile or here this is a height is equal to this one here, height is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g, and this range is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g or respectively, where the terms have their regular meaning. Now define the range statement and maximum statement and equation. Maximum height h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g and range is equal to r is equal to here u square sin 2 theta by g. This is the two equations. Now first of all statement here, diagram. Note this one, question number 8 according to Telugu Academy, short answer question number 8. Okay, range statement or first of all height with diagram here. For example, this one, this is a x-axis, this one here y-axis. Okay, y-axis, the body projected into air, the body projected into air with an angle theta with the horizontal. The o is a point of projection, here theta is angle of projection. Now along the x direction, velocity ux is equal to u cos theta. Initial velocity here, this is a initial velocity. Along the y direction here, y direction uy is equal to u sin theta, okay. The displacement of the along x axis here x, this is a x is equal to here or to touches the ground point b, this is a displacement from O to B. This is a displacement x is equal to here, or r means here range, Now along the y direction at maximum height, here at maximum height here b is equal to uy is equal to 0, at for example b point c means nothing but c point here maximum height position, the velocity of the projectile will be or becomes 0. Okay, these are equation. First of all statement h is equal to, okay, maximum height statement here h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, we prove this equation. Now statement here, maximum height, heading maximum height, okay, maximum height h. Now the maximum height statement here, the maximum displacement of the projectile along the y axis is called as here maximum height. Okay, statement, the maximum displacement of a projectile along y axis, the maximum displacement of a projectile along y axis is known as maximum height. Okay, this is a statement. Now along the y direction at the maximum height is 0, at velocity of the projectile at maximum height here will be 0. The displacement of the vertical direction s is equal to h, a is equal to g. Now here displacement s is equal to h and a is equal to minus g, velocity uy is equal to at maximum height at 0, and these are terms. Okay, now from third equation of kinematic third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, now from v square minus equation here, u square is equal to here 2as. Here it final velocity v is equal to 0. Here v is equal to 0, u is equal to initial velocity ux is equal to here uy is equal to u sin theta. This is the initial velocity at point to O. At point initial velocity uy is equal to u sin theta. At maximum height final velocity of the projectile v is equal to 0. Now here v is equal to 0. These values here substituting, simplifies v means 0 square minus uy. This is a uy means u sin theta square. Okay, is equal to 2 into a nothing but here minus g. Okay, minus g into here s means h, maximum height. Now simplifies remaining u square 0 minus simplifies minus u square sin square theta, okay, u square sin square theta is equal to here 2 into plus into minus 2gh. Now here minus get cancelled, so remaining u square sin square theta is equal to 2gh. So therefore maximum height s is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is the maximum height of the projectile. The maximum height of the projectile h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is ఇక్కడ వరకు మనం రాస్తే 2 మార్క్స్, maximum height 2 marks, and after that we will discuss about the range. Okay, note this one first of all. This is note this one. Next one here, range. Range statement: the maximum displacement of the projectile along x-axis is called as here range. Here simply range formula r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g, this is a range formula. We prove this one. Statement range r. Okay, the maximum displacement of the projectile along a x-axis, is known as here range. Horizontal, this is a horizontal. ఇక్కడ అండి along the x-axis or along horizontal direction. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసినా సరే along x-axis రాసినా ఈ సెంటెన్స్లో ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి ఇంకా అవసరం అనుకుంటే along horizontal direction రాసుకున్నా సరిపోద్ది. ఓకే, Now horizontal known as a horizontal range, horizontal range. Okay, now we prove the horizontal range is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, now this is a we are proof. Now here the time taken for the projectile to reach the point B, in time of flight, అంటే ఏ నుండి బికి చేరడానికి దానికి పట్టిన కాలం ఎంత అంటే క్యాపిటల్ టీ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్. హియర్ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ t is equal to your 2u sin theta by g, 2u sin theta by g. This is the time of flight, this one here time of flight. Now along the x direction velocity here ux. Okay, the displacement here x is equal to here r. Okay, now here very simple, range is equal to horizontal range is equal to time of flight into time of flight into horizontal velocity, okay, horizontal velocity, time of flight into here horizontal velocity means here ux is equal to u cos theta. Note this one first of all, very simple equation. Okay, finally range is equal to r, range is equal to time of flight t into here horizontal velocity ux, here ux, but here t is equal to u square, t is time of flight t is equal to capital T is equal to 2u sin theta, and here ux is equal to u cos theta, ux is equal to here u cos theta. Okay, now these terms here substituting, r is equal to 2u sin theta into u cos theta, okay, any terms okay, simply by g, by g. Okay, time of flight 2u sin theta by g, ux is equal to u cos theta. Now this one here g, now u into u square, now simplies here r is equal to 2 u square cos theta sin theta by g, cos theta sin theta by g. Now finally horizontal range r is equal to here simplies r is equal to u square into 2 cos theta sin theta by g. Here 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to here sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. This is a formula, this one 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So this terms is equal to sin 2 theta. Simplies here r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. This is a horizontal range. So the horizontal range of the projectile along the x-axis r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. This is a proof. Now this is very important. Finally one problem explain చేస్తోటి ఇందులో రీసెంట్గా మనకి టీఎస్లో వచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం mod of a minus b is equal to mod of a plus b. Here theta is equal to angle between a and b is equal to 90 degrees. Prove the 90 degrees అని అడుగుతాడు. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6 పైన ఉంటుంది, అది అంటే ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5th క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నో దిస్ వన్. ఈ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చదవండి అమ్మా. ప్యారలోగ్రామ్ లా, ప్రొజెక్టైల్ మోషన్ అండ్ రేంజ్. ఓకే, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మనకి చెప్పండి, కామెంట్ రూపంలో పెట్టండి మనకి. ఓకే, ఫైనల్లీ రీసెంట్ 4 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్. Prove the last final question. This also problem question number 5 here a plus b mod of is equal to a minus b mod. The angle between is here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Prove the theta is equal to 90 degrees. 90 or 45 degrees ఎంత ఉంది చూద్దాం ఎంత వస్తుందో. ఓకే క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్. నౌ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్ answer very important. Mod of modulus a plus b is equal to a modulus a plus b is equal to here a square plus b square plus here 2ab cos theta under root. This is a modulus, and a minus b modulus of a minus b is equal to here a square plus here b square minus 2ab cos theta. Now question here, according to given question, mod of modulus a plus b is equal to modulus a minus b. Now here a plus b modulus is equal to a minus b. Okay, these two values here substituting simply simplifies a square plus b square plus here 2ab cos theta is equal to under root minus a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So this equation square on both sides. This one here equation square on both sides. After we will get here simply a square plus b square plus here 2ab cos theta is equal to a square plus b square plus here minus 2ab cos theta. Now these terms taken left sides. These terms here taken left side. Okay, now negative values positive values here negative. Simplifies here a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Here this one plus now negative values a square. This one positive, so this also here negative. This one here positive, so negative, so positive. So 2ab cos theta is equal to 0. Now in these terms, some terms here cancel terms. Okay, here plus a square minus a square get cancelled, plus b square minus b square get cancelled. Remaining terms here 2ab cos theta plus 2ab cos theta. So totally 4ab cos theta. Now simplifies here 4ab cos theta is equal to 0. Now here ab does not is equal to 0, but here cos theta is equal to 0. So theta is equal to here cos inverse of 0. Now cos inverse of 0 is equal to 90 degrees. So theta is equal to here 90 degrees. This is the answer. Recently 2021 టీఎస్లో వచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం మొన్న రీసెంట్గా డిసెంబర్ నవంబర్ అక్టోబర్ 31st నవంబర్ 1st మొన్న వచ్చినట్టు క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. ఓకే, 4 మార్క్స్ ఇదే. దిస్ ఇస్ ద 4 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చదవండి. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి, మీ డౌట్ క్లియర్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్.